Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. Mobile World Congress 2023 completed recently, and Lenovo has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the new Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 AMD laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 AMD laptop. In terms of this laptop, the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 AMD laptop comes in two colors. One of the colors being deep black and the other storm gray. In terms of this picture, we have the right hand side of the laptop. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4. And on the right hand side, going left to right, we have the micro SD card slot, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port. We also have an HDMI 2.0 B port and a micro security slot. Furthermore, in terms of display options, we have four different display options. We have a 13.3, 2.8K, 16:10, 100% DCI P3 gamut, 100% of the sRGB gamut, 400 nits, and also eye-safe display. Other option is a 13.3 WUXGA IPS 16:10 ratio with a 100% sRGB, 400 nit, low power, and eye-safe display. Furthermore, we also have a 13.3 WUXGA IPS 16:10 100% sRGB with 300 nits and also a touch display. And the fourth option is a 3.3 WUXGA IPS 16:10 aspect ratio with 100% sRGB and 300 nits. In terms of memory options, this laptop comes with up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5, which is the latest and greatest memory. In terms of graphics, this laptop comes with the AMD Radeon graphics card. For battery options, this laptop has a 41 watt-hour battery as one option, and another option is the 54.7 watt-hour battery. In terms of weight, this laptop weighs in at 2.51 pounds or 1.14 kilograms. In terms of storage, this laptop comes with up to 2 terabytes of M.2 PCIe NVMe Gen 4 SSD option. In terms of audio, we have 2 user front-facing speakers with Dolby Audio. In addition, for communication options, this laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6E and also an optional 4G LTE card. In addition, for Bluetooth options, you get a Bluetooth 5.1 card. In terms of processors, this laptop comes with the AMD Ryzen 7000 series mobile processor. Although Lenovo didn't give the specifications of the AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, I'll update the video when I get this information from the website. In terms of the left-hand side of the laptop, this laptop has 2 USB 4 ports. It has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port, and it also has an audio, which is a combination of the headphone and microphone jack. In terms of the Lenovo ThinkPad X13 Gen 4 port, it comes with Windows 11 Pro. Also, in terms of microphones, it comes with the dual far-field microphone with Dolby Voice. In terms of webcam options, there are 2 options. There's an FHD RGB camera with privacy shutter, and there's a 5 megapixel RGB and IR with privacy shutter. In terms of Lenovo, I think they've done some really great things with this laptop and presenting it at the Mobile World Congress 2023. In terms of this video, I'm looking forward to more of the options that Lenovo will present at Mobile World Congress. I want to thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I've been your host, Christopher. And if you believe that this video is tantalizing, I'll invite you to subscribe. Leave a comment saying I subscribe, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing.